Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an Advent unboxing and a giveaway. Today's Advent is from Chapstick. It's the Celebrate 12 Days of Chapstick, and they sent me two, so I have one to give away. So definitely stay tuned to find out how to enter. So if you guys are curious to see what is inside this year's Chapstick Advent calendar, then just keep watching. Now, obviously, if you want to know what's inside, you could just look at the back of the box, but I don't think that's very much fun unless it's an extremely high-priced advent calendar and you want to make sure you're getting your money's worth. I just kind of want to go through and see what's in every day, and let's jump right in. So they have little rectangular cutouts, and they are numbered, and they go in order, which I do appreciate. So you don't have to hunt around to find out where's day 1, where's day 3, where's day 7. So 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 12. This is what it looks like on the front. And it does tell you at the bottom that you get one classic strawberry, and 10 cosmetic lip balms. So they don't tell you specifically on the front what you're getting, just that you're at least getting 2 of their classics and 10 of their, like, I would say more fun varieties. So let's start off, and they do have little tabs which are helpful to kind of push in and pull out. Day 1 is vanilla icing. I don't know if this is one of their normal scents or not. I don't think I've used this one before, vanilla icing, so I think that's a new flavor, if you will. Day 2, cotton candy, which is one that my kids love. Me personally, not so much. Day 3. This is hard to do one-handed, guys. I might just have to put it down. Day 3 is cake batter, which I believe is one of their normal flavors. This one's very sweet as well, but it has a bit of like warmth, like vanilla to it. Day 4, these are surprisingly hard to open. Clover honey, which I think was one of their new fragrances or new scents from last year. I remember this one being in last year's Advent and thinking, oh, that's an interesting combination. I don't think I've seen that before. So I think I will really enjoy this one as well. There are some that I save for my kids and some that I save for myself. And I, of course, give my husband some as well. He uses a lot of Chapstick products. Day 5, oh, a personal favorite of mine, a graham cracker. I don't know what it is about this one, but I really love this chapstick. It's like a nice kind of like beige, but it gives your lips that like hydration that all the chapstick products give. Day 6, sugar cookie. I already have icing, cake batter, and graham cracker. This one is sugar cookie. I don't think I've tried this one, but I don't think it's a new scent. It might just be a holiday scent. So this is probably one of their seasonal scents, if you will. Day 7. Here is the classic original they promised on the outside of the box. So I believe this is just like their unscented lip protecting chapstick product. I don't think it has any fragrance or medication or anything like that in it. I think it's just like a ointment type of product. Day 8. Ooh, another personal favorite of mine, vanilla mint. I love anything vanilla mint. Vanilla mint tea, vanilla mint scented lip products, vanilla mint fragrances. Day 9. Ooh, I don't think I had this one. Green apple. I don't know if my husband would want that one more or my kids. That's different. I haven't gotten that one before. Day 10. Here is the classic strawberry skin protectant product. I thought the cherry one was always their classic. I didn't realize strawberry was their classic flavor. I used to love the cherry one. I would wear that one every night as like a lip mask, and my lips would be hydrated in the morning, so they really do work. Day 11. Ooh. Milk chocolate. Last time I gave that to my kids, they put it all over their teddy bears, and I walked in and I said, why does your room smell like chocolate? I don't know. So what did you do? We put chapstick on all of our stuffed animals, and my kids have a lot of stuffed animals. We're talking like 30, 40. If we count Beanie Bears, 50 stuffed animals. So the entire room smelled like chocolate. I won't be doing that again. So that was 11. That leads us to day 12. Of course. You can't have a holiday advent calendar without candy cane. All right, so those are the chapstick products you get in here. I like that they include a classic one because sometimes you just don't want something with fragrance. I like that there are a few seasonal ones in here like sugar cookie, graham cracker, and candy cane. And then some like, I would say more summery ones like your clover honey and your apple and your strawberry. And then some that are more on the mild side like your vanilla mint. So I think this is a good assortment. You get some sweets, some fruity, some minty herbal ones, and then an original. So all in all, I would say this is a success. I don't think I've ever had a bad chapstick advent calendar. So that's what's inside. I love unboxing these, and we do use these throughout the year a ton. If you're looking for another lip recommendation, the Chapstick Overnight Lip Serum is also fantastic, especially if you have really dry lips. Highly recommend that one as well. So here is the unboxed one, but I still have a fresh, brand new advent to give away. So check the details in the description box below for how to enter. All the details will be down there, but I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and giveaway, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.